Welcome to the National Archaeological Museum of Athens. I'm sitting at the cafeteria of this museum and I will do a Celtic cross reading written cards, and I will use my non-dominant hand to do this reading. So I will look towards my left, so I will not cheat, so to say. Today is February 9th, and today is February 9th, 2005. February. I shuffle with my right hand, which is my non-dominant hand. I'm left-handed. Now I will first place the first card. This is the current position. It's this one. This positivity. What a nice card. I'm very positive in this moment. Last month I took my yoga laughter certificate. Now I can teach laughter yoga, so I'm very positive. I thought it was a bird. Yes, hi bird. Let's be positive. So let's go now to number 2, which is what crosses your situation. Which is number 2. Let's go. Bird. So it's this one, the Divine Essence. I never had this card before. I have a good seat there. Divine Essence. Drawing this card sucks that you return to basics, examine who you truly are. Allow your Divine Essence to guide you. Innocence is highly evolved state, which allows you to be natural, joyful, and at one with your higher self. Your guidance is to be yourself. So I'm very innocent, I think. But I should become even more innocent. I'm like a child, like this seed. Yes. Let's be like children. Laughter yoga is actually about being like children. To find the silliness of children, because children laugh much more than we do. So that is, I think, the basic message. We should be more innocent, like children. The key word is here, innocence. So this is what crosses my situation. And now, February 9th, 2005, we are going to number 3, the highest spiritual influence, which I place here. Contentment. Let me see. It's interesting that this card has a dog, because yesterday when I did Dana Cooper's Atlantis, Archangel cards, I got the Archangel of the canine Archangel in this position, the higher influence. Let me see, what does it say? In God Atlantis, everyone was honored. They were happy to be themselves, so they enjoyed a sense of deep peace and well-being. Every individual was encouraged to develop his or her gifts. This card suggests that this is time to experience a well-deserved feeling of satisfaction. Accept yourself as you are and acknowledge all your good qualities. Be content as you are. Now 4, which is the unconscious influence. You see, it is here, balance. Yes, in one way, because I'm Libra, because I'm born in October 6th. So this is the astrological signs. Astrological signs, of course, guide us all. I always keep things in balance. This is very appropriate. And now to number 5, which is the immediate past. What is my immediate past? This one. Creative expression. Interesting. your guidance is to do or make something creative. However you express this, you are called on to channel your divine instinct, the unique, beautiful, harmonious, original. That's something unique and satisfying. Why is this the immediate past? Because actually this YouTube channel is I created it only a couple of months ago, so it's the immediate past. I think it's appropriate. It's one of and also this using these cards is also an creative expression. I recently began with these cards in September 2024. Now the 6th, which is the immediate future. Let me break this immediate future. It's here. Row of animals. I never had this card before. So it's appropriate with this verse. Before Atlantis, people were aware that animals incarnate on Earth to learn, experience and teach, just as humans do. Animals were honored and respected as equals, and everyone communicated telepathically with them. Some came to serve us, offering their produce or help. If you draw this card, your purpose is to connect with an animal today. So I could actually learn from this bird over there. What is it doing there? Looking for food, free food. Perhaps I should also look for free food. Let me connect with it. Now we go to number 7, the more distant future. Let me see. I have to make space on this table for the more distant, the more distant future, which is here. Crystal skulls. I never really understand these crystal skulls. And then let's move on to how otters see me. So it's this one. Do they see me as a great crystal? I don't know. And then your great hopes and fears. 9, let me see, 9. So it's this one. And then the final outcome, temper of possible. I apologize, I'm not certain that if these cards are correct because a lack of space I placed also some cards here to the more right. So it might be that these cards are not appropriate here. So I was forced to divide this in half because of lack of space. So I don't know if these cards are appropriate. But let's pretend that they are. The more distant future of these crystal cards. What is the more distant future? Is perhaps the more distant future about meditation. Improve my meditation skills, and this is how others see me. How can the people see me as a great crystal? I don't know. Use the power for the highest good. Hopefully people see me as a symbol for the highest good. I don't know. Anyhow, I return to these first cards, which I think are these first 6 cards which are more correct. I think this first card was very appropriate, positivity, because I started after yoga and divine essence, and this what was innocence, my innocence, very innocent, like this sheep here, And then the contentment. That I think the message is actually I should connect more with dogs. And this is also very appropriate. The unconscious influence the stars. My first sign over animals. This is very appropriate for me. I never had this card before actually. And I could actually try to connect with this bird now. What can we learn from this bird? It's very eager. Hello bird. Hope to cafe. What are you doing? Sorry. Bird. Let me give you a bite of my sandwich. So I'm applying the advice from card number 6. Female future advance. Bird, where are you? The birds don't make any worries. That is the message from Jesus also. Look at the birds. They are not worried. Thank you. Goodbye.